Hello guys,
Hi.
my name is Radu and today with my gorgeous wife Miruna, we react to Amira Elfeky's new single, Hold On To Me. I heard about this band, I've seen it on TikTok but never bothered to check them out. So this will be a first reaction from us because we didn't listen to her or their previous songs. I think it's just a girl singing and the band is hired or something like that. So let's hear this one. She's like poppy,
Oh, okay.
so it's her name and it's not a band.
Yeah. Nice.
It's solid.
Pretty nice. I actually like this. Nice. I like this.
Yeah, very good. It's like female bedomers.
Yeah.
I like the backing vocals, the background vocal.
Ooh. Nice. Nice.
That was nasty. I was just wondering if it will have screams and a breakdown,
Yeah.
and there was my answer.
Nice. Very nice. I'm actually really...
Very solid track.
I'm really pleased with
Oh,
this.
she got a lot of views.
Nice.
So this was released 2 days ago. Already
Nice.
pretty nice. Yeah, very
Awesome.
solid single.
Yeah.
No album announcement. Yeah, solid track from her. We are waiting for new music, and we will check the older songs, of course, because it sounds amazing. And I'm very sorry that I ignored her music. So yeah, this was our reactions to Amira Elfeky new single,
Really nice. Really
Hold
cute.
On To Me. So if you want to follow us, just hit the subscribe button and wait for more videos like this. Cheers!